Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are doing the January Ipsy glam bag unboxing, first impressions and try on. Today is January 19th. It's my first real full day back in Chicago. So welcome home to myself. I'm trying really hard to not get stuck in like a post-trip blues. So I've never seen this before. I lost my phone so I can't see what's in the Ipsy bag. I will conquer my naysayers. This month Ipsy has this like really cute fill in the blank thing, and that's what I put in. And that doesn't mean like other people are my naysayers. I am my naysayers most of the time. And on the back it says Game Face. The first thing that I took out is a Microfacial exfoliating mask. It doesn't really smell like anything, but there's an alcohol scent to it, and I do feel the small exfoliant beads stuff. The mask is on. After I wash it, I'll give you guys a full review. Meanwhile, let's check out what's in the rest of the bag. The next thing I have in here is a contour palette from City Colors. Wow, the next thing that comes out is the NYX Lingerie. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade Satin Ribbon. This is from F.A.R.A.H brushes. This is a double-ended tweezer. So this is blue, which is super cute. This side is a sharp end, and this side is like kind of like that. And that's really useful. I think I'm going to love this so much. And the last thing in this month's Ipsy bag is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I didn't wash my hair this morning either. It's not very oily, but I have been traveling for like a day, and yeah, I think this is like a good like 2-day hair, and my hair can usually go for like 4 days without shampooing. The mask is about to be done. I don't know if you'll hear the timer, but it's very thin now, which is why I guess I could smell that alcohol around, but now you can barely see that there's a thickness to it. I'm about to use that's the timer. Okay, I'm going in with that side first. Wow. This is very big for my eyebrows, so I'm going to use a smaller side. Whoa. Okay, as you guys can see, that was really hard. I do have better tweezers, so I'm going to see if any one of my friends want this, and I'll give this to them. Okay, I'm back. My skin does feel better. I have to admit that was really good, but then it's really, I don't know, I'll definitely use it, but is it something that I will buy or recommend to other people? No. So I made a major mistake. I totally forgot to put on like skincare before makeup. After I washed my face, I went straight in with foundation, so it's looking a little dry and cakey, but that's fine. I'm ready now to contour with City Cosmetics. There's a highlight color, a bronzer color, as well as a contour. Is it gonna open? As well as a contour color. Let's see how this highlighting color goes, because I haven't highlighted it. Wow, that's white. But I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. Not bad. I'm gonna use that highlight for going into the contour shade with the Sonia Kashuk contour brush, I guess. And what I like to do is, it's really powdery with City Cosmetics stuff. I go on the cap and lessen the product. And with contour, I always go in from the hairline right under the cheekbones and drag up. So let's do the same for this side. That's a really nice color. Like, it's a little warm toned, which is fine, but I like that it's more cool toned than like a bronzer. So I'm gonna leave that there for a while. My skin got really dark after being at Australia, so the foundation that I'm using doesn't actually match my skin tone, so I'm glad that they have this bronzing color. And I'll take it onto this brush. It's the number 1. And I'll go into the cap just to blend it out. And with bronzers, you always go like 3. I'm I'm going to use a blush brush into the bronzer as like a subtle blush. And doing this also blends out the highlight as well as the contour. I'm going for a very, very natural makeup today, and it might look really intense, the contour on camera, but here it looks totally natural. Like, oh, the highlight looks so good. So you can't see this in the pan, but there are these glitter pigments in the highlight. I'll get in the sun and show you guys. Let me try to blend that out a little bit, because it does look very intense on camera. Oh, I love this palette. This is so good. It would be really great to travel with. It's very thin and pigmented, and I will use this to contour my nose just a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but I hope there's a difference, because I can really tell either. Moving on to our last makeup product from this Ipsy bag, the NYX Lip Lingerie Satin Ribbon. It's a very light shade for me. Like, it's lighter than my natural lip shade. I'm really like determined to make this work just for the sake of this video, but I don't think it's going to. Like no, I'm gonna give that away as well. Wow, that's such a bad color match for me. Moving on, before we try the dry shampoo, just wanted to give this little guy a shout out. It came in a set of 4 at Sephora. It's like near the checkout wall of doom where there's like all the little travel stuff, and this is legit like my favorite tweezer on earth. This, I like how there's like a sharp tip and there's that weird like triangle shape. Like, this is so good. Like, I can get anything out. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I got it out. I gave myself bangs before I came to Chicago in Mel, like short ones. I don't know, like, I'm sad that my vacation is over. I want to show you guys some stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure I injured my pinky while canyoning, and I have this scar here. Can you guys see it? That's from when Sophie walked out first, and I was carrying this case of alcohol, and the door banged. It's like a swinging one, and it like banged against there. I think I got it during canyoning or something. I don't know. There's plenty. I really like it. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to my face looks so weird. What? Is it because in comparison to the wood? I don't know. But let's do this dry shampoo. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Ooh, I really wanted to say I didn't notice a difference, but there definitely is a difference. It smells good. It smells really good. I can't describe the smell, but it smells really good, and it makes my hair clean and healthy and weightless a little. Wow, I'm kind of sold. So that is my review, a very, very long video about this bag. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription bag that you can get. I think it's around like $12 or something, which is not a bad deal at all. And you get it every month, which is a new way to look forward to the future. And happy 2018. I hope you guys are doing really, really well. If you guys do have an Ipsy bag, tell me what you guys got, what your favorite project is, what didn't necessarily worked out, and what will you conquer this year. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you later. Bye.